here you go. Numerology in 10 minutes. Numerology in a simplest possible way, so that you wanted to relate numbers and understand how to apply numerology in everyday life. So I'm glad, and I wanted to dedicate this video to all of you requested to understand numerology in 10 minutes. Let me try. So before we understand numerology or any subject, the saying knowledge is power rings true. Having knowledge makes life easier. Through years of study and experience, doctors find the human body more approachable and manageable despite its complexity. We all understand why. Because they know human body more than you and me. Likewise, a carpenter's understanding of wood enables them to create both beautiful and functional pieces by comprehending its grains, textures, and strengths. So there is a reason why I'm explaining, because when you know things, it is easier for you. Likewise, and same way, to a cook, handling fire, heat, and ingredients is like second nature. A perfected ability developed over time to produce flavor and nourishment. Numerology presents an opportunity for professionals to acquire a deeper understanding of themselves and the world. By offering a perspective, it simplifies the complexities of life, including personal traits and potential. Despite its ancient origins, numerology provides a contemporary and approachable method for self-reflection and connection. When we learn the language of numbers, it becomes easier to navigate our interactions, decisions, and inner conflicts. So, just as a doctor heals the body, numerology heals the soul and mind, revealing hidden aspects of our personalities and destinies. This ancient discipline provides us with knowledge, empowering us to navigate life's complexities more comfortably and confidently. You will be able to relate once you begin to interpret numerology numbers through your life's journey. Numbers carry a profound influence on our lives. And numerology serves as a step-by-step guide to uncovering the unique numbers that represent you, your personality, path, and life circumstances. By calculating numbers from your birth date, your name, and even your address, you gain insight into the vibrations that shape who you are and the energy you interact with daily. It does not stop there. Numerology also helps you see how these different numbers work together, revealing whether they are harmonious or in conflict. It's really disheartening to see someone struggling in a career they were never naturally inclined towards, simply because they did not know their true calling. Likewise, parents are often puzzled when their one sweet child transforms into someone unrecognizable. Could you realize how numerology can help in this regard? A quick look at the child's destiny number as well as the parents' we could have revealed essential insights into their unique personality and development path. So my friends, numerology makes it easier to understand these shifts and challenges. Understanding the fundamentals of numerology is not only fascinating but also quite helpful for your everyday life as you navigate through. We may not be able to choose our destiny number, our day of birth, or the name we are given at birth. But with numerology, self-awareness becomes a more manageable process. Once you know your core numbers, life's decisions, both big and small, become clear. Knowing which career paths suits your inherent strengths, understanding which numbers in your life are compatible with your own, and recognizing how to relate to family and friends through their numbers can have life-changing effects. Similarly, understanding which numbers are not compatible with you or your destiny or day of birth, it would help you avoid unnecessary struggles. This is how the numerology is so simple to help you. If you are lucky enough to choose where you live, numerology could guide you toward a house number that aligns with your energy. Even if you are already settled, it can help you understand the unique traits of your house's number and how it influences your living environment. Mastering any subject takes time. In the workplace, numerology offers insights into your co-workers' personalities, fostering better relationships and teamwork. And for business owners, understanding which combinations of destiny numbers work well together could lead to more harmonious and productive environments. Maximizing both personal and business success. So if you decide to use numerology in your everyday life's aspect, you can use. Through numerology, the subtle energies of numbers could lead to greater clarity, harmony, and fulfillment in every aspect of life. Numerology reveals insights about your identity, interactions, and destiny. Your life and personality could be understood through these numbers, guiding you to a fulfilled and successful life. Understanding these numbers is crucial, and it goes beyond the basic surface of everyday life's aspect. When you understand numerology and know the meaning of each numbers, it would help you improve relationships. Many relationships could be salvaged or better understood if individuals knew their partners' numbers. Marriage counselors, for instance, could help couples understand the subtle energies, understand the causes of conflict by interpreting their destiny and personality number. So, when people understand the basic traits and energies their numbers bring, they could better navigate both personal and professional relationships. Employers would benefit from knowing their applicants' numbers to assess compatibility with the role and workplace dynamics. A knowledge of these numbers could differentiate, between someone who is a dreamer and someone with focused ambition. So I hope those who have requested me to explain the numerology, its application, how you can relate numerology on an everyday life's journey, I hope you are able to relate now. You can use numerology for self-understanding, knowing your own destiny, zodiac and personality numbers, as well as their positive and negative traits, could help you understand your strengths, weaknesses and purpose. Each number provides insight into different areas of life, helping you grow and make better life. So now let's talk about how to calculate key numbers. The first and foremost number that you need to know is your destiny number. And how do you get your destiny number? Take all the digits from your day of birth, month of birth and year of birth, year. Just add all the digits from your complete date of birth and reduce to a single digit number unless you get 11 or 22. Likewise, next important number is your personality number. Add the digits of your birth date, day only and reduce to a single digit number. So now you have found your core two numbers. One is your destiny number, another is your personality number. Make a note. That is where everything starts. Number 1, leader. Ambitious but can be arrogant. Health concerns include blood pressure and heart disease. Number 2, cooperative and friendly but can be confused or indecisive. Prone to digestive and emotional issues. Number 3, creative and social but must avoid excess of anything. May face skin problems and stress related illness. Number 4, grounded and hardworking, yet can worry excessively, prone to headaches and ulcers. Number 5, adventurous and dynamic, though they could be restless, prone to accidents and mental stress. Number 6, family oriented and caring, but could become overly perfectionist. Health issues include heart and circulation problems. Number 7, introspective and spiritual, but could be secretive and isolated as well, prone to nervous and kidney issues. Number 8, ambitious and resilient, but they could be extreme or ruthless. Often deals with skin and dental problems. Number 9, compassionate and driven, yet could be possessive and volatile, prone to kidney, reproductive health issues. Right? So here you go, the basic and easier way to understand numerology in 10 minutes. Next we have two most important number, 11 and 22. We do not reduce down to single digit number. Associated with spiritual insight. 11 associated with spiritual insight and leadership, often belonging to individuals with a unique destiny. 22 symbolizes completion and perfection, belonging to highly evolved and impactful individuals. So, by understanding these numbers, you unlock a new level of self-awareness and improve your ability to navigate life's complexities with wisdom and confidence. So here you go. Explanation and understanding of numerology in 10 minutes. So I hope now you could relate numerology in a simpler way. You have requested me to explain numerology in a simpler way, as you have found Loshu grid, Solarge number, Vedic grid, name numerology complex. So here you go. numerology in 10 minutes and be benefited through the numerology. You stay happier. I wish you all the best.